Hi, my name is Mike. I'm one of the owners of Burritos, the home of real Mexican food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make slow-cooked pork shoulder in a burrito. So to make your pork burrito, here you have your rice, your black beans, your braised pork, your lettuce, the pico de gallo that you made earlier, your jack cheese, your guacamole which you made earlier, sour cream, and I've chosen the spicier of the salsas, salsa brava, and also I'm adding jalapenos. So take your rice down the middle of your tortilla, then your black beans, then your pork, then your lettuce, add your pico de gallo, and your jack cheese, then some healthy dollops of guac, fiery salsa brava, sour cream, and jalapenos for good measure. Now squeeze up the sides, fold over to the top, and squeeze it really tight, roll it up onto a plate with some tortilla chips, and there you have your braised pork burrito.